Be sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making roasted chicken with vegetables in a white wine sauce. So stay tuned and let's do it. All right, these are the things we're going to be using. We're going to be having some celery, some carrots, some honey, well, they're honey golden baby potatoes. We're going to have some garlic, a red onion, some thyme, some rosemary, some mushrooms. So we're going to use all these vegetables and other things that we're going to be putting in here. And our star of the show, I've already rinsed off and I'm patting dry my whole chicken. We're going to be using a whole chicken and we're going to roast it. Okay, we're going to be cutting off some celery stalks here. We're going to cut off the bottom tops. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to chop these up into nice size cubes. Okay, so I've got my dry leaves, which these totally need to be washed also. So I'm just going to run a knife right through this, just a rough chop. The next thing we need to do is we have baby carrots. Okay, so I've already started cutting up some garlic. I got 4 cloves here. I am going to actually slice these. Kind of slice them thin. And now I got me a nice onion here, a nice red onion. You can do any onion you want, but I prefer red with this. I want to see some little color. So I'm going to cut off both ends, half of the onion, and then I want to chop it down in wedges. Okay, so I got some potatoes coming out here. Woohoo! And I got a whole new strainer for these potatoes. And I'm going to use this whole bag. This bag is nothing but a 24-ounce bag of potatoes. And I'm going to cut these right in half. I am just taking the stem off, cut each one in half, just in half. This is some thyme here, some fresh thyme. I'm just going to peel the thyme back and take it off the stem here. Rosemary's also been washed and dried, and I'm just going to lay that rosemary and just let that rosemary sit in there like that and just give it a nice freshness. Okay, I am going to start cutting on my lemon. I'm taking my vegetables, all my vegetables. Okay, I'm going to throw a little paprika on my vegetables. Onion powder. Put a little bit of onion powder on there because all around seasoning. Now what I mean is, get your favorite seasoning that you want. It's got a bunch of different seasons in there. You get yours and you just give it a win on that. Okay, then I'm just gonna mix all those dry, nice seasons in there. Okay, then we're gonna do a little olive oil that goes all over it, about a teaspoon or 2. If you got a lot, you want to mix this up. Don't forget, we got these chips of garlic. Oh, look at that. It's going to be flopping around in all those vegetables, giving it a The rest of that's going to go on this chicken and inside the chicken. You can use sea salt or kosher salt. You add about a little bit in there. Put these into our pan, our big pan that we have. Making sure you get all of the garlic out, and you want to spread this around. Yeah, you want all that to spread around. The exact same thing, recipe, as you did the vegetables, you're going to do with the potatoes. We're going to dump this all in so everything is nice and coated in seasoning. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of all-purpose seasoning onto my chicken. Put a little onion powder on your chicken. That's good. You want that nice rosy look? Just sprinkle a little bit of paprika. And this is another thing that I like. This is a herb seasoning mix. Also throw some of this in your vegetables too. Okay, and then I got that chicken. I'm lifting it up, putting that chicken right there on my rack. Last but not least, we're going to put some olive oil all over the chicken and rub that olive oil in and make sure those vegetables and all that has got a dripping of olive oil all over here. And we're going to put this in the oven for about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we're going to pull this out. We're going to put a cup of wine in here and we're going to continue to let it cook. Okay, 25 minutes is over. I'm going to add about a half cup of white wine. And I'm going to add about a half cup of also some chicken stock. Back in the oven it goes. Okay, then I'm going to take my vegetables and I'm going to, since it's in its strainer, wonderful, I'm just going to go around. Very easy and simple. Oh, thank God I got everything out and it looks wonderful. Okay, now I have a measuring cup that I'm going to measure all the sauce that I got off the vegetables and the chicken. Okay, now I'm going to make my white wine sauce. Now, what I'm going to be using with my white wine sauce is I'm going to be using a can of cream of chicken. Okay, cream of chicken. Okay, I found this at my local grocery store. This is called garlic, herb, and wine sauce. Let's mix this all up together with the cream of chicken. And then I'm going to add a little of that sauce that I got from the potatoes and chicken drippings and all that. And add that half cup of white wine to this sauce that I'm making. After I mixed it up real good and got all the lumps, I'm pouring this in a pan and I'm going to cook this and simmer this down for about I'm going to say about 15 minutes. All righty, look at that, guys. I'm going to turn that over. That roasted chicken there. All right, let's get some of these vegetables. Oh, yeah, let's get some mushrooms in here also. Carrots, mushrooms, celery. Look at that, guys. That is delicious. And that is my herb gravy sauce. I'm just going to put a little bit on here. And we'll just add a little bit onto our vegetables to give it a little bit of flavor on those vegetables. If you don't like any of these on your vegetables, you don't have to have the herb gravy, but I do. And here is my roasted chickens with vegetables in a white wine and herb sauce. Oh, delicious. I hope you enjoyed the show today, and I hope you come back for plenty more. Because guess what? I didn't make this alone. You and me, we did this together. We made this beautiful roasted chicken with vegetables in a white wine sauce. And this is wonderful. And we can do plenty more. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make this dish for your family, having this dish at your table. Hey guys, see you next time. Bye.